Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have a swap in from Lisa Halls. Let's see. Okay. Look at, she made this pretty cute pocket letter, paper clip. I can't speak this morning. Paper clip, okay, Patriot colors. By the way, this is 4th of July theme. How she did that? She got that little bow right there. Let's check out the pocket letter. Here we go. She's got these women going across. I love veterans, USA. Look at the boots. Love the boots. USA. A truck. The ladies. Celebrate 4th of July. I like these images. Look at that image. Cool. Awesome. Love it, love it. And then she has the glitter going down the side. And the pretty ribbon. I'm going to stick that kind of like that. There we go. Cool. I love this. I have a thing for trucks, so that's cool. And these boots are awesome. Awesome. I love these images. And then she has some goodies. She's got some stickers with American flags. Cool. And she's got this one. Nice. And, oh, get the pen. I'll use it next year. Patriotic pen. And it's got this little envelope here. It's triple. Let's see, I'm just going to pull hair essential elastics. Oh, little red, white, and blue. How cool. And, oh, look at the dog tags. Or dog tags. Oh, cool. So one's an American flag. And the other one is plain. Oh, okay. You could probably engrave on that if you want. That's cool. And then we have white, red, white, and blue. Well, that's look cool. That looks really vintagey. And then, oh, she made a little book. That's cool. Look how she, the glitter, the little wind turbine. We got some straws. Oh. We got a pen. Sticky notes. Some jelly bracelets. Another pen. And let's see. I got some stickers. And happy 4th of July. The land, this land is your land, this land is my land. Home sweet home, land of the free, life, liberty, in the pursuit of happiness. United we stand, stars and stripes forever. God bless America. Hello, America. Oh, my stars. 3 cheers for the red, white, and blue. Sweet land of liberty. And then, this little pack over here. Let's see, Lisa made some tags. So look at this one. She's got stars in a pocket. And then little popsicle. Oh, them are cute. Little pops, shaped like popsicles. That's cute. And we have this one. It says, all the little stars, all America, washi tape. Oh, in the back, little pocket, and she added some stickers. And then we have this one with the flowers, and she's got little glitter spots. And in the front, long may she wave. Cute. That's awesome. Thank you, Lisa. That's Lisa Halls, by the way. This was a swap from Crescent America. I'll show you her packet letter one more time. There we go. I will have Lisa's channel linked as well as the swapping group, so if you're interested, go check out both. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.